Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Welcome to the April installment of the 2021 Craft Vault collab hosted by Poet Spice. This collab is all about creating projects with older items from our craft stash or craft vault. Specifically, items that are 6 months or older are fair game. There are a number of talented collaborators who are participating in this collab who will be creating projects with all sorts of craft supplies or mediums from their craft vault. And I do hope you go and check them out. If you open up that description box below, I do have links for the other ladies who are participating. And in case you are just checking in for the first time, this is a year-long collab, and we do post our videos on the third Friday of each month. So hopefully you will come back next month and check out to see what we have been creating. And for this month, I did come across a 3D card kit in my craft vault when I was cleaning up, and so I was excited to be able to put it together and use it. I did save some of the packaging to show you guys what the packaging looks like. It is a craft kit from Hunkydory, and it's called Collage Card. And it did come with the stuff to make 2 cards, and it did contain envelopes and a set of instructions, and they were pretty easy. This was a quick and easy project, so it was a fun little project to do. And I will hold up the back of one of them so you can check it out. They do mail flat, so the back, as you can see, it does stand up so that it stands up, but you can fold it flat. And the dress is exactly the same on the back side. And the kit did have a couple little extras. They had some different little sentiments, and I could add a little sentiment to the dress too, but I chose not to. I just chose to leave it plain for now, not knowing who I was going to gift it to or how it was going to be used. But I do like how they turned out, and again, it was a quick and easy project. So again, I just wanted to thank everybody so much for watching today, and hopefully you were inspired to go through your stash and possibly find some little quick and easy afternoon kits to work with. And until next time, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.